Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in the last class, we have discussed about the sound effects option. So now we are going to move to the caption option. So as you can see, here's the option for the caption. So if you want to add a caption in your video, then you have to click on this. So let's click on this. After clicking on this, before clicking on this, we are going to insert a video. So I'm going to press on the Control I, and now we have to select the video. For example, I'm going to select the video. Let's go to the download section and import this video and now open it. And after opening the video, we have to drag this video here, and now video is here. Now if you want to add the caption, simply what you have to do, I'm going to make this screen bigger, so let's make it bigger, and now drag this again. And now what you have to do, you have to click on the caption button, and after clicking on the caption, then you have to click on the add caption. So as you can see, here's the caption button. Now you have to write your captions here. For example, I want hello, how are you? So as you can see, this is the caption. Now you have to define the duration, that how long it will run. So if you want to increase the duration, you can also do that. And now if you want to see the preview, you have to run it. So I'm going to play.
Season is approaching, but I would like to announce to everyone that I have gotten married. He said his new season is approaching.
So as you can see, in this way, you can check the preview of the caption. And after that, if you want to add after that, if you want to add another caption, then you have to click on the caption button again. And now you have to write your second caption. And now if you want to add other, then now you have to click again. And now you try that again. And here you will see the text properties. If you want to make changes in the text, like color and bold, italic, and all the things are provided here. Make changes like the font style and the size and the color and all the thing. And after that, you just need to play it and the caption buttons will work. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can add the captions in your video in Camtasia Studio. So see you guys in the next video.